It's free money. All right, it's free money.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez. I'm too smart to be broke. Thank you for coming to the channel today. Look here. It's time for you to take advantage of everything going on right now. All right. Look, if you want to make money online, let me run a few things to you, man. You're going to have to be consistent. You're going to have to focus. And you're going to have to lock in. You have to understand marketing. And really just, man, if you show up and be consistent and you just learn this marketing aspect or just learn your audience, learn your target audience and what they like, and hopefully it's in alignment with you and what you do, man, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? It's people out here selling plates of food. It's people out here doing photography. It's people out doing MLMs. It's people out here helping people with Forex, health goals, life coaches. You may think that you don't have no skill sets, but it's something that people go to you for. All right. It's something that you do that don't nobody else know, or you'll be surprised what audience or gravitate to or something like that, man. But I'm saying you got to show up. You got to be on time. You got to know your demographics and your audience. This is very simple. All right. Free stocks. It's free money. All right. It's free money. For some reason, when people are able to get some money, they feel like they got to like physically go to work and clock in or something and flip a burger patty or something to go make some money. However, that you can go do that. Now I've done it. Okay. I've been there. I've done it, flipping burgers, frying chicken, and all of the above. But when you have the ability to just record something on your phone and say, hey, here is how you get free stocks. Here are the apps that you use to go download them. Here's what I've made this week. And you're consistent and you learn whatever platform you're dealing with. If it's YouTube or if it's Instagram, okay? You go study the other people that are successful in those platforms, and that could be you. Some people say, MLMs are scams, or referral marketing, or affiliate marketing scams. Look, it's going to be pros and cons and good and bad with anything you do. But most importantly, it's going to be moral people and immoral people in anything that you come across or do. That don't mean that the platform or the setup or anything is bad, but it could be the people you dealing with. If you entering in MLMs or affiliate marketing or referral marketing and people ain't telling you that's what that is, and you ain't one of them ones that realize the opportunity, then don't do it. If you not cut out to be consistent, show up, learn your audience, and just make videos and post videos, and or you ain't got a bag to run traffic to marketing to an OnlyFans page, okay? And OnlyFans ain't about just them butt cheeks, okay? OnlyFans can be just like Patreon, where you're giving valuable information to a specific target audience that wants to receive that information from you. And I don't care if somebody else saying it. If it's somebody that want to hear it from you, the way you say it, the way you break it down. All right. You got models out here doing Fashion Nova. It's all type of affiliate marketing events. Affiliate marketing services and products. And let me tell you something else. This one of the ones I'll be using, but it's like, okay, I'll use this. If you go to a fire restaurant, I'm talking about restaurants so good, man, best food you ever had in your life, you're going to be excited to go tell some other people about it. Say, man, you got to go here, bro. You got to go here. All right. And then they go and they enjoy it and they tell somebody else. But guess what? Most of the time, depending on if they have a referral program or not, most of the time, you ain't getting no incentive for sharing. You just sharing because you love it. So guess what? If I'm in a program or somebody else is in a program and it's dealing with business and they love it because they has the opportunity to make money and they share it with you, now it's like, nah, I don't want to do that. Your ass wanted to eat, when it was that. But when I tell you that is money over here, you don't want to come do what it take to make the money. So it's cool. It ain't for you. All right. It ain't for you. And I get that and I respect that. But your mindset has to be open to be out here doing your dance. I applaud you for still watching this video. But if you doing business, trying to make money online or whatever it is, you got to be open, because it's unorthodox manners that's been holding us back from all this time, because there's people out here getting a bag. And you sitting there watching them every day. Go look at people on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Like, go look at the method that they use and how they engage with people. Okay, once you find out how to engage with people in a manner that you can benefit both parties, okay, it's a reciprocation of energy. The currency just flowing, and currency is money. So time is money, my energy, money. All right, that's all we exchanging. Is good energy, currency, flow. You know what I'm saying? But look, I make a long story long, and I meant to tell you, just wait till the end of the video before I show you, something simple. Okay, it's an app called Dosh. You can download an app called Dosh right now. I think I made $200 or $300, something like that, back when I was doing it. All you do is it's a cashback rewards app. It's a cashback rewards app. All right. You put your debit card on there. I'll put my debit. Well, you can download a time card or something and put the virtual time card on there if you want to do that. Not even really link your bank to it. Cool if you won't do that. But it's legit. All right. And they have cashback. So when you spend that card at a location that they affiliated with, and they affiliated with some heavy hitters too. All right. Some heavy hitters that Walmart and all types of stuff. You get some cash back. But not only that, when I refer you or somebody else refer you, it's $5. But they do promos, $10, $15, some even 20. I think even 25 one time. So it's very simple. And it's something that's gonna save you money anyway. But free money people don't like. It's like when you go to the store and you see, okay, I'm gonna get these bananas, but it's a coupon for these bananas. I'm not gonna use the coupon. I'm gonna just buy these bananas. Why you don't want to save money? The coupon right here for you. You understand me? So, not everybody can receive the information the same, but all it takes is for you to share the information and be consistent. Free stocks. You got apps like Dosh, Webull, Robinhood. Okay, you want to learn about stocks? These are great starter apps to get you started with stocks. I like Dosh personally, but Webull has the best referrals that I've seen. All right, but people don't want to put in the work. Look, if you want to change your life, you got to change your habits. You know what I'm saying? You got to, that's what you got to do. Like going to the gym, like working out, like, eating right and everything. That go together. You got to hold yourself accountable, or else you're going to look back, look up, and be in the same position you was in before. But don't get left behind. All right, don't get left behind in this digital age because you didn't do what you needed to do to put food on your plate. Okay, for you to be in control of your own situation with you and your family. It's nobody else's responsibility to take care of you and your family, man. It ain't nobody else's responsibility. You feel me? All right, it's on you. Now, with that being said, man, I just gonna get on here and plant these seeds and share some information with y'all. And I just did my business credit course too, because that's the way to maneuver in this system is to have a business entity. I ain't no guru, brother. I'm just somebody who's sharing information. I feel like it's one of my purposes in life, to just plant seeds with people, and hopefully something resonated with you that will get you up, get you motivated, get you going, and ultimately stay on track. But look, if you want to check out Dosh, do that, check out that below. You want to check out the free stocks, you can check out that below. You want to check out the business credit course, you can check out all that stuff below. Or you can just go on, search, make money online, find ways to do it, and study how somebody else is doing it and duplicate that. Well, I don't say duplicate it, but do it in your own way. But be consistent. And this right here is going to take you going to the gym to work that thing out, man. I'll see y'all next time. Peace. All you gotta do, download the app. All right. You actually link your debit card. So when you actually do make a purchase, like I did when I went to Dunkin' Donuts, I got an actual 39 cents cash back. But you see this, I had withdrew $40. That $40 came from referrals. So you see lifetime $216. So for the kids out there, people trying to run it up, make money online, this is very simple, very, very simple.